Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I have been here, you guys. Oh my god, I think it's been like 2 years since I have filmed a video. So I just thought I would come on today and talk to you guys about where I've been and what the channel is going to be going forward, because you'll notice I've rebranded, I've changed the name of the channel, and basically I will just talk about where I've been for a sec. So basically life went a little bit haywire. So I was making videos, everything was going along well, but I found that with making makeup videos I was having to buy a lot of makeup, and obviously because you need to review stuff, but I wasn't getting PR or anything obviously, so it just meant that I was having to buy a lot of makeup on my own, and I really was getting to a point where I couldn't afford it. I was spending too much money on makeup. I was buying things that I didn't even necessarily want because I just felt like I had to put it on my channel, and it was just not a great situation. I wasn't enjoying it anymore. I just felt like it was this constant grind of like, buy this, review this, and I wasn't even picking what I wanted to review. I was just trying to review what was popular so that my channel would get more views. Basically I just fell into that trap of just making content that I thought everyone wanted to see or that I thought was going to be popular, rather than having fun, enjoying it, and making the content that I want. So fast forward to now, and I'm back again, and I have rebranded my channel a little bit to sort of reflect my interests now, and also to just diversify the content a little bit so that I am making stuff that I want to make and that makes me happy, and I think that will reflect in you guys seeing better videos. I don't think it's nice when you can tell someone doesn't want to be making the videos they're making. So basically I am rebranding the channel to Luxeish, and I've called it Luxeish because I want to make videos about luxury goods. I want to make videos about luxury bags, SLGs, things like that. I also want to keep it relatable, so that's where the Luxeish came from. So it's not going to be one of those full-on channels where you see people that have a collection of 89 Birkins, and even though that's really fun to watch, and no shade to those people at all, but it sometimes isn't as relatable as it could be, because most people aren't going to be able to buy a whole bunch of Birkins in their lifetime or anything like that. So I wanted to come from a bit more of a relatable everyday person type of angle. The other thing is, it's just not really my personality. I'm not dripping head to toe in luxury at all. I enjoy luxury bags, but for the most part I tend to dress very casual. I'm a very casual, chilled out kind of person, so to make videos about all this excessive amounts of luxury wouldn't really be my personality anyway. And I also just want to incorporate other brands. You know, I love Mimco. You guys know, if you watch my old channel, Carly XX, that I had a lot of Mimco videos on there, and I used to get people requesting to do, you know, what fits in a medium pouch, what fits in a small pouch, things about comparisons about Mimco, and there's really not a lot of Mimco content on YouTube, so I was happy to do that. So I want to keep making videos like that as well into the future. I still want to have quite a diverse channel. I want to talk about, you know, a range of different things, still within that niche, so that it doesn't go too broad that people lose interest. I hope if you used to be here for my makeup content, you'll stick around, because I will still be making makeup content as well. Still love makeup, I still love ColourPop. I just don't want to be in that sort of, I don't want to feel like I have to buy every launch just to buy it. I ended up with so much makeup that it was giving me anxiety, and it was just not fun. I've decluttered a lot of it, and it ended up just being quite a waste of money, and I don't want to encourage that kind of obsessive purchasing behavior either. So it just wasn't in line with what I wanted to be doing, and yeah, and then life kind of just got a bit crazy. I had a couple of family members who were dealing with cancer treatment, and I changed jobs. I went on a secondment for 6 months, so that was another job change sort of. And then I came back to my normal job, and my position had changed, so I've been learning a new position and things like that. And overall, I just didn't really have time to film. I just needed to be living my life and dealing with what I was dealing with, and you know, I've moved a couple of times and things just got a little bit wild there. So the good thing is, in my new place I have this dedicated setup, and I have actually installed an IKEA Pax wardrobe system, so I have somewhere for my luxury bags, but it also doubles as a really nice background for my videos, so I really like that. So yeah, so I am back, and yeah, the channel is going to be a whole range of stuff, so I hope you guys, if you were subscribers from before, will stick around and check out what I have to offer on my new channel. And of course, you know, I said before that I wasn't wanting to just make videos to, you know, match what people want, but I do want to make videos obviously that you guys want to watch at the same time. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see, or if you want any more sort of Mimco comparison videos, or if you know you want me to review a bag, I don't necessarily need to own everything to review it. I have a pretty good knowledge of the designer bags that are out there, and I think I can review things for you guys. And I also just really want to do videos about sort of career and things, practical tips that you can do to afford luxury and save for luxury, and what's the best way to buy luxury and places to buy it, and different methods. I've used quite a few different methods to get my pieces. I've got other content as well, like I want to make a video about a Zara bag that I just bought, and I still want to make videos about contemporary designer brands as well, so that my channel is kind of accessible. I want to do real honest content. I want to show you what I really buy. I want to tell you about bags that I've bought that were fails and I've sent back, and just be really realistic and hopefully helpful to you guys. And yeah, I just want to make a range of content that you guys are gonna like, and I want to make stuff that makes me happy as well, so that, you know, I think it reflects in my content if I'm enjoying what I'm making. So yeah, thanks very much for tuning into this video. I know it wasn't very exciting, but I just thought I can't just come on here and start making bag videos when I was making makeup videos before. It would be really weird. So I just wanted to come on here and give a bit of an explanation about what I'm doing, and just put something up to say hi, I'm still here, I'm still making videos. I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified of my videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!